Hey guys, I wanted to do an updated video on House of Hoodoo oils. I use them in my bath. So I'm going to bring up my list of things I was trying to manifest. Alright guys, here is the quick list. I wanted to family and home update. So of course, I finally got me a bed. I just ordered a futon. I've been doing different things around the house to get it together to definitely make it in a home. So I'm very proud with that. Next was my career. I want my dream job, making, of course, the right amount of money. But I'm honestly interviewing for my dream job. I'm still chasing. I haven't given up. I may take a side gig for extra money, but I'm still going after it. And then I still want to, do extra work with digital marketing, that freelance job. And also my store, my Amazon store is still selling. So things are looking good there. Spirituality, I am now relying more on my intuition, trusting myself. When I have that nudge, that feeling, I follow through now. Then financial, guys, all my bills are paid. Student loan don't count, but all my bills are paid. Social. I wrote down a note that I wanted to meet friends. Let me cut this down. I wanted to meet friends that were on the same level as me. And these friends also would have growth potential, someone I can learn from and grow. It's hard to meet that. Sometimes when I'm in a situation, I normally carry the crowd, or I'm giving all my information and I'm not receiving the good information back. So physical. Thank goodness, guys, I had VSG surgery because my eating habits were not good and I wanted help with that. I was always watching what I was eating, always working out. So I'm still losing weight. Amen to that. And VSG is helping, and that's the only reason why I got it, because I needed it as a tool. Intellect. I had to tie my intellect back with my digital marketing, because I went back to school at this late age in the game, and I'm still learning. It may be taking me a little bit longer, but I'm retaining it and I'm still loving it. So, amen to all of these successes. That's what the oils has brought into my life. Thank you again, House of Hoodoo, and let's get back to the video. Bring into fruition and give an update, and also that you take a look at the oils. I have used them in candles and my bath. So yeah, let's just do a quick update and let you know where I'm at, how I believe it's working for me, and then you can decide on your own if that's the direction you want to go. All right, here's the candle. And I'm going to say my prayers for my family, my career, my spirituality, my finance, social media, and what I'm trying to build, my physical, losing weight, and all the things that I want to bring into fruition about how I look and feel, and then my intellect, growing and learning. So I'm gonna light the candle on camera, and I'm gonna sit here for 15 minutes, meditate, and say my prayers. As you may know, I take a small drop and put it in the bath water, and that's kind of how I use it in the bath. All right, guys, I'm out of the shower. I did my whole oil spiritual bath. I love it. I sit and I just soak. I literally lay out, put my feet up because I'm too tall. All right, so let's get into it. Things that have changed for me since I ordered the oils, since I set some intentions and decided on what I wanted to focus on, what I wanted to bring into my life, what I wanted to manifest. And then I had a couple of bubbles. Number one, road opener. I wanted to create opportunities for me to flourish in my business, in my career, in my learning, and I have truly been blessed with many opportunities. Job interviews, I was able to get in school. My son graduated and found a job. So I've had all these different opportunities. So I feel like it worked. Don't know if it wouldn't have worked before, but me focusing on that and believing in it and claiming it, I believe it worked for me. The next one I have is beauty. I hope you can see it. So I feel that what came along with beauty, of course, I'm wearing my natural hair I'm not wearing so much makeup. I'm mostly wearing the under eye stuff because I have that line. But feeling more confident in the way I look. Talking to this camera more and more says it all. So yes, I do believe the beauty worked for me. My self-esteem has increased so much, real talk. So it works for me. I purchased High Wisdom because I really wanted to ignite my intuition. I wanted to start trusting my decisions, following through, and believing in, whatever road I take, if it was right or wrong, or was for me or not for me, I did it with my all. I committed to it. So, High Wisdom, what have I learned? I've learned to go after what I want and believe in myself. I did not pass 2 of my tests. But by me not passing those tests, I went back and studied the work, the schoolwork more and more. To now you can't tell me anything. I know it. And I think that's why I have those interviews, because I can walk the walk, talk the walk, or whatever. But yeah, High Wisdom, thank you. Last one I have, I hope you guys can see this crown of success. And I will share with you that this weekend, Memorial Day weekend, is my son's graduation, which was successful. And that's like one of my biggest blessings. I know I completed my school program. I got the certificate of achievement. Yes, that is success. But you know how it is when you have kids and you really want them to succeed. And I can see its growth. All my wishes was granted. So I hope that helps you guys in some type of way. I purchased House of Hoodoo so that it would push me a little bit towards the things I knew I already wanted and needed to improve on in my life. I hope that makes sense. I knew my self-esteem was changing, but I wanted that little push. I wanted to be successful. I wanted to master some skills. I had a timeline of July. It is almost June. So would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. Especially if I'm trying to target on, like maybe my next target would be finding the love of my life. So I wanted to get established in my career, in my home, with my son, so I can focus on love. I want to bring in the love of my life. So yeah, I'll do it again. It worked for me. And maybe it's mental, but sometimes that's all you need is to believe in yourself or believe in something that brings in. So again, thank you guys for watching my video. I won't be in New Orleans anytime soon, so I'm gonna do an online order for love to come in, the real love, not fake love, not the different things that I've been experiencing, because I hadn't worked through some of my lessons. And I'll do a video on that and so on, but I just wanted to share this in hopes to help someone else. If maybe you're this close to winning something or achieving something, maybe you need a little push, look at it that way. Or if you just want something, a focal point to believe in. That's kind of how I use a lot of things in my life. I believe in God and the universe and the sun and the moon. And those things keep me going. So again, have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.